The Peace Pagoda in Darjeeling is a symbol of harmony, unity, and non-violence. Perched on the slopes of the Jalapahar hills, it offers panoramic views of the Kanchenjunga range and the surrounding town, making it not only a spiritual site but also a scenic retreat. Commissioned by the Japanese Buddhist monk Nichidatsu Fujii, the Darjeeling Peace Pagoda is one of over 80 pagodas built worldwide as part of the Buddhist order's mission to promote world peace. Construction began in 1972 and was completed in 1992 under the guidance of Fujii's Indian disciple Bhikshu Moriji. The white structure stands at a height of 28.5 meters with a diameter of 23 meters. It features 4 statues of the Buddha, each representing different stages of his life: birth, enlightenment, teaching, and death, parinirvana. The peaceful ambience and the calm chants of the monks in the adjacent Nipponzan Myohoji temple makes this spot spiritually uplifting. Whether one visits for spiritual reflection or simply to admire the architecture and views, the Peace Pagoda is a must-see landmark symbolizing a universal message of peace amid nature's serenity.